Oops. Do you know what I did?
Huh.
I did a really stupid.
Yeah.
I forgot to start this thing, and now it's running.
We'll do it again.
Yeah.
I just forgot.
Well, you have the speaker thing.
Yeah. Okay. Now, this is the speaker thing. I took the guts out. Here's the speaker thing. You use it as a gigantic hearing aid or something like that. If you can hear your neighbors or something like that from miles away. Or, I made what you call a very interesting game called a Nerd Birdhouse. Here's the speaker box. Clean the insides out. See, I can't get through there, but a bird will be able to. Yeah, you close it up with the screws in there. And you see, you hang it up here, or on your tree, and the birds be going in and out. That's what you call stereo chirp sounds. Live entertainment.
Yeah, live music's the best.
Yeah.
Especially live bird music. Here's all the screws. Well, since everybody knows how to put screws in, I've got
Oh,
to
yeah.